Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the language on your BMW X5 E53. This simple process allows you to update your vehicle's display language without needing any specialized equipment or complex software. We will focus on the straightforward method using the instrument cluster button, which is accessible to all owners. Follow these clear steps to personalize your driving experience in just a few moments, making your vehicle's information easier to understand. Before we begin, let's prepare your BMW X5 E53 for the language change. First, ensure the ignition switch is completely in the OFF position. This is a crucial starting point for the procedure to work correctly. Next, identify the right-hand button on your instrument cluster, which is the panel directly behind your steering wheel. This specific button is often used for resetting your trip odometer or cycling through various display information on your dashboard. Now, let's perform the actual language switch. With the ignition off, firmly press and hold down the right instrument cluster button. While keeping this button continuously pressed, turn your ignition switch to the on position. You do not need to start the engine for this step. Continue holding the button for approximately 10 seconds. You should then see the display language cycle to the next available option on your screen. Once your preferred language appears clearly on the display, simply release the right instrument cluster button. The system will then lock in your selection, making it the new default. If you accidentally cycle past your desired language, don't worry, just repeat the entire process from the beginning. The system will continue to cycle through the available languages until you stop on the one you want. Enjoy your BMW X5 E53 in your chosen language.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.